सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल बटन पे भी क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू सो मच। Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Being Studio. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video I'm going to tell you top 5 beauty uses of talcum powder. So before I start this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. And with that, let's head towards today's video. So talcum powder has a lot of uses, not only beauty uses, it has many other uses. But this is something which you must have in your beauty kit, and if it's not there, then your beauty kit is actually incomplete. I have chosen today this talcum powder from Johnson's Baby because I really love the fragrance what it has, and this is not going to harm you as it's for the baby, so this is really good for all skin types. So now I'm going to tell you all the beauty uses of it, starting with talcum powder is very useful as it can turn any of your liquid lipsticks into matte in no time. I'll show you how. So I have taken this lipstick from Rimmel and this is a complete liquid lipstick, and I'm going to apply this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take talcum powder on my hand, and then I'm going to keep this tissue over my lips. And then I'm going to put the talcum powder on top of that tissue. So this has turned completely into matte, and this way you can turn any of your liquid lipsticks or any lipsticks into matte. I have already done a video on how to turn your liquid lipsticks into matte. Just click here to watch that. The second beauty use of talcum powder is that it's really good to set your makeup. I have little makeup on my face but I have not set it. So I'm going to take talcum powder and then I'm going to apply this talcum powder all over my face with the help of a makeup brush, and then I'm going to set it. So like this you can set your makeup, and this is going to stay on for really long. Now the third beauty use of talcum powder is it is really good to thicken your eyelashes. If you don't have thick eyelashes, all you have to do is take some talcum powder on your makeup brush. Now this is the eye makeup brush from Real Technique, and I'm going to put this on my eyelashes. You have to be careful, this should not enter your eye. And now I'm going to take this mascara from Maybelline and I'm going to apply this. I already feel that my eyelashes are looking good and it even looks thick. It looks so nice. I don't know if you can see it, but each lash is separated. It's so easy to apply this product after I put the talcum powder. So now I can definitely see a lot of difference. Now my fourth beauty tip is for hair. Now if you don't have time to apply shampoo or anything like that, just take some talcum powder in your hand and just apply that on your scalp like the way I'm showing you. My hair already feels very soft. I did not wash my hair, but after applying this I feel that my hair has become very soft and it doesn't feel like I have not washed my hair. So this is a really good dry shampoo which you can definitely use to apply on your hair, and your hair will look really good. So this is really good technique, and this is one beauty use which I really like because I have been doing this from really long. There are times when I travel and I don't get time to apply shampoo or something, I always use this talcum powder. And my fifth and my last beauty use of talcum powder is if you have any kind of itching or irritation on your skin, just take some talcum powder on it, just apply it, rub this and keep doing this on that part for some 3 to 4 days. You will see that the irritation will reduce and the itching will also reduce. So it's really good to treat any skin disease like this, so you can definitely try that. So I hope my video was useful to you. If it was, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please do try them and do let me know whether you found them useful or not. Just comment below and let me know. Please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm very close to 2K, so please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon next time. Till then, bye.